Hi everybody, my name is Jill and I work with SaddleBook. Today I am going to show you how to set up a rodeo on SaddleBook. We are so excited to continue developing new features and make it so that you can get out of the office and back in the saddle. Let's get to it. All right, so once we're in our organization, we'll go ahead and create a new event. We're just going to call this the End of Summer Rodeo. And your title can be whatever you want it to be. The discipline is going to be rodeo. The begin date would be the first day of your event, and the end date is going to be the last day of your event. If your event is just a 1 day a rodeo, then the begin date and the end date will just be the same. So we'll go ahead and make this begin date and end date the same. And all of these can be updated once you've created your event. So for now, I'm just going to leave the announce date, the online entries open date, and the early entry deadline blank. Once you're ready, or if you know when you want your entries to open, or when you want your event to show up to be available for people to view on SaddleBook, you can add those dates here right now. And then you'll just create your event. Once that's created, you can go ahead and start setting up your classes. So we're going to start and do a couple of examples. The first one is just going to be barrel racing. And we'll put in the registration fee. It's going to be day number 1 in the main arena. We're going to go to the restrictions. For this class, we're going to make it 0 to 18. We are then going to go to the payout. We can set the office rate at 20%, meaning 80% of the fee will be paid back. We have 100 added dollars to this event. And then I want the projected payout to show on SaddleBook so that people can see what the payout could be depending on how many entries there are. We'll just set the payout method as well. And then we're going to go to scoring and go to timed, where it's a timed event. We'll choose that. And then we'll go ahead and create the course. And we'll do the same thing for, we'll do this one as bareback. Set the entry fee. We're going to leave this one open to anybody. We'll then set the payout. And this one we're going to leave at 30%, which is what it automatically goes to because of a stock charge. Go to scoring, and then we'll choose scored. And then we'll create that one. And then we'll do one more, and we're going to do team roping. And the registration fee is this is going to be per man or per participant. So $25 per team member. We're then going to go to scoring and choose team roping. And this would be what you choose if you have any teamed events. So whether that be team roping, ribbon roping, whatever that looks like. And then we're going to go to data. We're going to choose header and healer so that people will be able to select which one they are, and then we're going to add the partner name. And then we can create that one as well. One thing you'll want to do also is create your payment methods. For this one, we're just going to do pay at event, and then do please pay before you compete. This one is going to be a non-credit card payment, and we're going to record as accounts receivable. So go ahead and create that. And then we can add so you'll choose your rider. We're going to go ahead and do Charlotte in the barrel racing, and I will show you how to do the team roping in the next video. So I will link that as well in the comments. And then you can just submit the entry. Then it will bring up her entry. And you can do the same thing for any individual events. So we'll go ahead and put Zane in the bareback riding. If you are entering somebody else, it's very important. You can click that gear and then clear and add a new account. It's very important to use an email address that the rider or competitor will have access to so that they're able to go back and view their entries, winnings, and enter other events on SaddleBook. Alright, so now we have a couple of entries in these. In the next video, I'll show you how to actually run your rodeo. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful videos.
And, that takes me back to our mission statement, which is, simply put, to give you more time with your horse, more time for the things that matter. And